Today in this factory tour, we will see how choco eclair and orange toffees are made inside the factory. First, separate syrup base are made with heating and dissolving various ingredients with water, for both choco eclair and orange toffee. Now, natural flavors and food-grade acids are added and mixed with a stick for preferred taste and smooth texture. Thereafter, with the help of an advanced machine, both the batch are continuously stretched and mixed to obtain a unique texture. Next, both the batch are fed into a rolling machine to transform into long rolls of choco eclair and orange toffee. Here, these stretched rolls are moved to the molding machine. Later, these rolls are cut into several small pieces, as per the desired size and shape of the toffees. After cutting, these toffees are packed in small printed plastic film by an automated machine. Finally, these super delicious toffees are sealed in carton boxes and plastic jars for the distribution.